Okay people, welcome back. So we have the pot on the fire. We're gonna put some olive oil in it. Alright, we're not gonna use a lot because the oxtail is a little fatty, so that will produce its own oil. And so we're just gonna allow this oil to come to a heat, or heat it up. Okay, in Jamaica we say we're gonna make the oil hot. So after we do that, then we're gonna put in the green seasoning just to get out those flavors from the oil. Okay, so we're gonna add the remainder of the green seasonings that I had. So we're gonna put that in the oil. Okay, remember we have already put the green seasoning on the oxtail, but just to get out those flavors, this is what I like to do. All right, the fire is very hot. So now we're gonna go in with our oxtail. All right, look how beautiful that looks. So for me, just take your time. Wow, 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 wow. Scrape that out. All right. Then you're going to put some water in this pan here. When you're going to put on the, all right, look how beautiful that looks. So you give this a stir. Okay. Wow, look how beautiful that looks. The smell is great. All right. So, see how beautiful that color looks. All right. So you mix this around, mix it around. You know, all the seasonings are in, looking so lovely. All right. Then you're going to cover this now without any water or anything for a little time, for about 5 minutes. Okay. Make sure your pot is balanced on the fire. Gonna cover it for 5 minutes. This is a pressure cooker pot because I'm gonna pressure it. If you don't pressure it, you're gonna have to give it about 2.5 to 3 hours. When you're pressuring it, when you close the pressure cooker, you can just give it half an hour or 35 minutes and you're good. We don't have time for the 3-hour cooking in Jamaica. So for those who have the pressure cooker, we do it. For those who don't have the pressure cooker, we'd put it on the cold stove outside, you know, and allow it to cook for those 3 hours, and then you have to monitor it to continue to add water for that 3-hour cooking process because oxtail is very tough. Okay, for those who have the pressure cooker, you close your pressure cooker half an hour and you're good. So this is not the pressure cooker cover, but we're just covering it for it to just build some steam and build some liquid. We're gonna stir that around, then we're gonna put in the water and we're gonna close the pressure cooker. When we close the pressure cooker, it's gonna be there for 30 minutes to 35 minutes and then we cook it down. Here we are again after 5 minutes. Okay, move it around, stir it around. Okay, all right, very good. This is what you want because you want it to kind of get a little fry. Yeah, so there's no liquid in it. You want the fat on it to produce a little oil to simmer him down. So now we're gonna add the water. So this is the seasoned pan. We throw in the water and you just wash off your spoon. All right, this water is perfect. You don't want the water to be too much. All pressure cooker have a little marcation for you to know where to put your water limit, else it will may just explode on you. All right, so you can, when you put your water in your pressure cooker, you want to still see the meat, or the water should just be a little above the meat. This looks like it's gonna need a little more water. Okay, so let me get that and come back. Okay, so here we go, just adding a little bit more water to that, and then we're gonna close this now with the pressure cooker lid, and then you look at your clock to see the time. Make sure your pressure cooker is covered properly. This is a very serious process. And you look at your time and then you give this, when you close it, 35 minutes. Okay, so see you then in 35 minutes. Welcome back. All right, so after 40 minutes in the pressure cooker, the oxtail is now cooked. So we're just going to cook it down. And I tell you what, the seasoning up process of the oxtail, you know, it was recorded in the wrong format, and so, you know, I may not be able to post that section of it. So bear with me, but you can season it up to your suit, to your liking. All right, so what I did, let me just give you a quick rundown. What I did was to season it with regular all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, a little ginger powder. You can use the regular ginger, black pepper, salt, okay, and a blend seasoning of the spur tree blended seasoning. Okay, and browning, you want to put some browning on it to give it this rich color. See how that is beautiful right there? All right, so this is optional. We're gonna add some carrots and Irish to it. You do not have to do that, but I want to just, bring it up to speed. Jamaicans like to add their carrot and Irish to their cooked down meat. So I have given this 40 minutes to be exact in the pressure cooker. Okay, and now it is, succulent and tender, falling off the bone. So we're gonna cook this down. So we're gonna give this a few minutes, allow the Irish and the carrot to cook, which will take another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the broad bean to it. Okay, so see you when we do that. If you notice, I have transferred it from the pressure cooker to a regular Dutch pot. All right, so see you on that side. Here we are again, guys. So this is after 5 minutes. So we're going to yeah, all right, very good. So looking beautiful. All right, gravy is touching down. All right, so this is the point where we add our beans, and here we are using some beans. You may not have to put all the beans if it is too much, because this was just 2 pounds of oxtail. So let's mix that in and see how it looks. The gravy is at the right level right now, and this can go along with your rice, white rice and peas, as well as with food. So you put this on a low flame. Okay, so it's falling from the bone already. So it is well soft, well succulent, and look how beautiful that looks. So this is your oxtail, easy and simple to do. Season from overnight if you have to. Okay, and as I said, the seasoning process, the video got formatted in the wrong format, and so we'll not be able to add to this, but you just season it to your liking, your suit. Make sure you have your browning on it, your powdered seasons, your green seasons, and a little salt to your taste, and you're good. Just follow this cooking process and you're good. So I'm gonna dish it out now for you to see the presentation. All right, this is looking so lovely. All right, so it can go along with your rice and peas, crushed Irish, potatoes, a few bananas if you so wish, dumpling, yam, to your suit, or just some vegetables. All right, so see you when we're sharing it out. All right, so I'm gonna dish it out now. Look at what we have here. So lovely, so beautiful. Oxtail, very succulent. Wow, look at that. Thick gravy, okay? Gravy is so thick. All right, so you can see your beans, your, all right. This is a little time, let's get rid of that. Okay, look at that. Lovely oxtail, beans, carrot, right? Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, look at that. Lovely dinner, this lovely lunch idea. Okay, all right, very beautiful, very tender, very lovely. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. Oxtail, Jamaican style. All right, lovely, beautiful. Look at the beans, Irish, carrot, and those succulent meat. Okay, so this is your oxtail, brown stew. Okay, this can go with your rice and peas, white rice, or your regular food, banana, yam, sweet potato, or you could just go with some crushed Irish. So this is your oxtail. Thank you for watching this video. Please to press like, share with a friend, and leave a comment if you think it is lovely. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and have yourself a great day. Thank you.